My computer mic.
Buy yourself a new headset. That's all I say. But don't don't tell your dad like every. Might get one on Monday.
Wait, what do you want for your birthday?
Never mind. I have no idea what I want for my birthday. It's in a few more days and I have no idea what I want. Maybe a laptop. Oh wait. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I forgot we're still recording. Guys, my birthday's coming up soon, so I'm going to be doing something really special on my live stream. And if my parents will allow me, redstone! I found redstone! If they allow me, I'll probably be able to stream, and then when I get my presents, I'll just stream it. If I get my presents before I start streaming, I'll hold them off for a little bit.
Darn it, that's gonna be hard.
Well, it doesn't matter.
I'm going to Minecraft with you first.
To me, it doesn't matter. What I...
How does this one turn out? Wait, how about this? On your birthday, you live stream like Minecraft, and tell me like 10 minutes before you're gonna open your present.
I'll decide a perfect time for it. Cause I know almost everyone's. I actually don't think everyone's gonna be here since it's not gonna be like my 16th birthday. It's gonna be like my 15th birthday. So, what level are we? Oh, I went past my dead mark. What?
Well, I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
I can't. Oh, never mind.
It was just probably your audio settings, something like that. Okay, David, we reached the midpoint, and I hear water, so there's probably a cave nearby.
Dude, want some wood?
Why? I don't need wood.
Want some wood?
Alright, start mining straight. So we're
Okay.
Pickaxe broke. I saw that. You mined only one block and it broke. Very nice. I can guess when my pick's about to break so easily. I don't know why I can do that. Yeah, the water's on top of us. Oh my god. I gotta be careful. Oh no. Oh no. I done goofed. I done goofed. I'm gonna start swimming.
Don't mine it.
I found a... Oh, what the heck?
Did we break a pipe?
On
there.
Give me... Oh, lapis lazuli! Lapis lazuli! Sorry, too late. Alright, too late. Yeah. I found a cave, I think. I found like a water cave. That makes sense. Water cave. There's nothing much now. Oh my god, there's iron. For about 2 hours actually. We've actually been recording for a long time. It's fine. People won't get bored. A little. Once in a while I'll hear it.
Yeah. People on my end. Sorry for my bad audio. I don't get bored.
Yeah, I do random stuff too, but I think they got used to it already. What the heck is this? There's gotta be something good. There's got to be something good around here. I'm up here. There's gotta be something good around here. All I found was iron. This is lame. Although there is a lot of flint. Ow! Stop hitting me, god damn it. Alright, I think this is enough. Alright, let's head back. Let's head back down the hole. I'm gonna block it off. You better get down here in 2 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ow. Oops, placed the block wrong. Yeah, alright, there we go. Alright. Now, since we found that cave... Ah, my god, we sprung a leak again. Ah, we sprung another... Oh my god. I got it, don't worry. It's just...
What's with you on breaking leaks?
David, you broke a torch.
You are a diaper at least.
No, I put the torches on top of the walls. They cannot reach the walls. We're gonna have to mine this. We're gonna have to mine this. Mine it! Mine it!
Don't
I'm drowning! I'm drowning! Oh, dear God. Alright, we're good. Let's keep mining. Let's keep mining. Let's... Eh, sort of. Oh no. We'll need another patch hole. David, you... David? Okay, we got jobs to do. You break the blocks, and I'll patch them up as fast as possible, alright? Oh, I gotta take a drink. Oh, man. Yeah. Alright, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. We gotta keep this going. We gotta do a patch job. There we go. Good, 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 good. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep mining. Come on, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, we sprung another leak.
I'll just wait here for you.
Wait. Iron, my iron.
When we keep going.
Ow, ow! I saw it. Yeah, either way, we're gonna need the iron.